Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 4 of my oil painting series. In my previous video, I have shown you how to paint the lake. If you haven't watched it yet, link is in the description. In this video, I am going to show you how to paint the foliage. In this part of the painting, it rather seems a bit darker than the rest of the painting. Here you can see a combination of both darker shades of green and lighter shades of green. So we are going to use a combination of Persian blue and lemon yellow in different shades. I am going to apply the paint with a synthetic flat brush in a dabbing motion. First, I am going to paint the trees that are far and then the bushes which are placed near. This layer of paint is called as blocking. In this blocking layer, we don't give much details, just the shapes of each individual objects. Later on, when we have to give the detailing part, like the individual leaves, the shadows, the sunlight reflected upon the leaves, so we are going to do that after the blocking layer has completely dried up. The blocking layer for this part of the painting is complete. The details and the finishing is yet to be done, which I am going to show in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep painting and make the world around you colorful. Magic is in your hands.